Hey Academy LMS lovers! Welcome to today's video tutorial on how to use the Academy starter templates. Are you ready to dive in? Great! Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Academy LMS and Academy Starter Templates plugins installed and activated. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry. We'll guide you through the process. Skip the setup wizard for Academy LMS and proceed to activate the Academy LMS Pro version. Keep in mind that this step is not required to use the Academy starter templates. Now, let's activate the Hello Academy theme, which should already be installed. Once everything is set up, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Academy Starter Templates section. You'll find it there because we activated the plugin earlier. Click on it to access the available starter templates. Now, it's time to choose which demo you want to import. In this tutorial, we'll go with the Marketplace demo. Select your preferred option and click on the Import button. Sit back and relax while all the required plugins and demo content are being imported. It may take a few minutes to complete, so be patient. Congratulations! The import process is finished. To see the results, click on the Visit button and preview your brand new site. Looks nice, doesn't it? With just a few clicks, you've successfully imported all the necessary elements and created a complete website. Now, let's explore how to customize this template. To begin, click on the Edit with Elementor button at the top to start customizing the homepage. You can also click on the Header button if you wish to customize your header section. By clicking on the Header button, you can easily customize your header section, including the menu and website logo. You can create and set menus within the header section. If you need to go back to your WordPress dashboard, simply click on the Exit button. If you'd like to customize the homepage, click on Edit with Elementor. Alternatively, for customizing the footer section, click on the Footer option. Let's focus on the homepage customization for now. From here, you have the freedom to customize the homepage as per your needs and preferences. We'll also show you an alternative way to customize the site without using the Edit with Elementor button from the top bar. To do that, head over to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. Locate your home page, which should be named Marketplace since we've set it as the home page. Click on Edit with Elementor from here to customize the home page. Alternatively, you can set the home page by going to Settings and then Reading. It's up to you to choose the method that suits you best. Don't forget to delete any duplicate pages you might have. Now, let's shift our focus to customizing the header section of your website. Click on Appearance, then Header and Footer Builder. From here, you can easily customize the header section. Click on View under the header to preview the changes you make. Similarly, you can click on View under the footer to preview your website's footer section. Moving on, let's explore how to customize the inner page header section. By clicking on Edit, you can start customizing the inner page header. Here, you have the option to choose the type of template you want, such as header, before footer, footer, or custom block. Additionally, you can set up where this template will be displayed on your website, define specific rules, and even set it based on user roles. And there you have it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for joining us. Enjoy customizing your website with the Academy Starter Templates.